Hey everybody, it's Nabil Mullah with you here again today. Today I'm here to show you the new HP OMEN Obelisk gaming desktop PC. This is model number 875-0024, and some of its key specs are: it has an 8th generation Intel Core i7-8700 processor, HyperX 16GB DDR4 SD RAM, 2TB hard drive, 256GB PCIe solid-state drive, tempered glass panel, wireless LAN, ABGN or AC, and Bluetooth 4.2, 6 USB 3.1 Generation 1, 1 USB 3.1 Gen 2, 1 USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C, HDMI and DisplayPort connectors. This has Nvidia GeForce RTX 2080 graphics card with 8GB GDDR6 dedicated memory. It's got a wired keyboard and a wired optical mouse, 5.1 surround sound, DTS headphone X, 1-year limited warranty. It comes with Windows 10 Home and McAfee Live Safe. It also has the OMEN Command Center and a free trial of Dropbox. Let's get this big guy open and see what we got inside. First thing we've got is a quick tour. Then we've got the HP Worldwide Limited Warranty and Technical Support paperwork. Then we have technical support and self-help information. Last thing in that little bag, 3-prong power cord. Next we have the box with the keyboard. It's a nice low-profile keyboard. Here you can see on the back, it's raised at the top. Lots of little rubber foot pads. And the wired mouse. Really basic black wired mouse. All right, let's get this out of the bag and check it out. All right, so here you can see inside. Here we've got a good look at the back. There's the fan. Lots of USB ports. Inputs for the microphone and speakers. Display port, HDMI, and so on. Another fan at the bottom and the power cord. Here we've got the view from the front. And recessed on the top here, we've got the power button, microphone, headphone, and 2 USB ports. And you've got a vented top. So that's the looks of it in a nutshell. What's most exciting about this for me is the new graphics card in it, the GeForce RTX 2080. People have been having issues with this PC. A lot of people got this for a great deal on Black Friday. They got it for $1,500. People have been having the 3 beep syndrome. If you turn on the PC before you turn on your monitor, it thinks there's no monitor because it turns on so quickly, and it throws up an error code. As long as you turn on your monitor before you turn on your PC, you're okay. The fan is crooked. I believe that's by design. Let's go get this plugged in. Got it turned on, and here you can see the light is programmable on the front. Comes through the logo in all different colors. Inside, you'll notice how neat everything is and how wide open it is. Not cramped, and there's not wires just kind of shoved in there any which way. It's really neat. And it's also super quiet. I've had this gaming now. It hasn't broken a sweat yet. Here it is next to my Dell XPS. It's slightly larger, but not much so. I edited this video using this computer, and it went really well. And finally, I'm just showing you some graphics from a game called Planet Coaster. I've got the graphics set all the way up on this, as high as they can go, maxed out. You can just see the beautiful reflections there at night. On the rippling water, the reflections are also rippling. You can even see some sheen. Depending on the angle, some sheen that looks like oil that's sort of laying on top of the water. Beautiful nighttime graphics. the reflection of the moon off of the tracks, the light in front of the roller coaster as it goes along the tracks, and the entire thing reflected in the water. And just another example with this spinning ride. The lights on the underside of the car, the reflections, beautiful shine. Here you're getting both shadows and reflections from other rides. Not choppy whatsoever. Again, these specs are maxed out, and the computer is still quiet as can be. And also, not hot at all. I've seen where people were kind of concerned about heat from this, and so far I haven't done anything on this computer that's really pushed it. Putting my hands on it, it feels cool. I mean, not cool, but room temperature. It's not hot at all. Just some more examples here of the lighting and the shadows and the textures of everything. When I play this on my Dell XPS, which has an Nvidia 1080 card in it, I can't max it out like this without it getting really choppy. But here it's really fluid. My overall thoughts of this computer are that it's just fantastic. This is the best gaming computer I've ever had. I've tried iBuyPower once, and I regretted that. I got a fully loaded, spec'd out computer, and it came and it didn't work right, and their customer service was horrible. And I just didn't like the entire process. It was actually a nightmare trying to get my money back for that. My Dell XPS, like I said, it has a 1080. It actually has 32 gigabytes of RAM in the Dell XPS, which is more than this OMEN computer has. But it's got a real step up from the 1080 to the 2080 graphics card. And the OMEN is much quieter than the Dell XPS. Every once in a while that Dell XPS really puts out a puff of noise that it's like going crazy thinking. And I haven't had that yet with this. So, I highly recommend this. I hope you've enjoyed this footage. And I'd say go ahead out and get you one of these. I think you'll like it. But remember, turn on the monitor before you turn on the computer. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you'd be so kind, you could go ahead and hit that subscribe button, maybe a like button down below. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know. And I'll catch you on the next video.